guys, Marshall Animal. I am here with my buddy, Half Dog 50. So, yeah, we're just hanging out in the clouds, having a fun time at Coral Cannons. You know. Whoa! Whoa! OMG. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Well, apparently he knew about this shop, but whoa! Whoa! What is this place? What? Yeah, he so knew about this. But, I mean, sorry, it's a she. Whoa, this is a store. I guess it's only for eagles. Because, of course, land animals can't get up here. Whoa, this is like a secret shop for eagles. This is so cool. Let's see what's in there. Oh, I'm so excited. I am gonna see what they sell in this store. Okay, so, whoa, large trunk, okay, I've never seen that. Oh, I've seen that. I've never really wanted it though. Stained glass window, wait, oh, you can change the colors. And then stained glass lamp. Oh, this is where you get the gem instructed rug. People say that this rug gives you gems, but I'm not so sure about it. But just in case, I'm gonna buy it. So this is where you get the royal archway and the rack of clothing. Oh, I've always wanted both of these, and then I traded 4 rares for both of these things, and I finally got them. But I'm like, where do you get them? But I guess they went away, and then they bought it. They made it return to Jamal when Eagles came and hid it up in the shop. But whoa, I have I think I have the red one, but I'm not sure. I'm gonna buy a blue one. Ooh, this is where you get it. Whoa, you can change it. I just traded it for the normal one. Oh, the little butterfly wings, adorable. Rare! Oh yeah, I forgot. Some people have this. It's the rare rack of rare clothing. Oh, I'm so bad at that. Oh. Yeah. Now I only have 6 gems. Oh, I have to tell him that. No, oh, that was for Ocean. I was so gonna buy that. Accept that. I will trade you that. Really, I will trade you that. But I bought stuff, and now I only have 6 gems up. And now I only have 6 gems. And yes, I have diamonds. I was supposed to get one today, but no! Oh, I need to play some games. 8. I have 8 diamonds. I have 6 gems, 588 summer carnival tickets, and 8 diamonds. I was talking to Kunzel and I kept on calling the diamonds gems. She was like, you only have 8 gems? I'm like, oh, I'm sorry, I keep on saying gems. I meant I got 1 diamond and... Oh, I thought he had 6,075 gems. Like, I mean diamonds. My how? Awesome. But wait, what was I talking about? I was talking like Kunza, but there was something I needed to say. Yeah, I kept on saying, I kept on saying whatever it's called, you know. Yeah, I'm supposed to get a diamond thing today. But I didn't. I want diamond things so bad. I know, bro, I do too. I want a little tiger, and I can get a tiger, but I want my membership to run out. So then I can buy a membership that has like diamonds and gems, and then I can get more diamonds and gems. But I have 249 more days. I spent all my gems when I got it. I want diamond things so bad. Okay, I heard you. I spent it on all these animals, and then Kunsa made me recycle them, and I was really sad. Hold on, BRB. I'm gonna check out where you get gift cards, like you know the gift cards, the gift card things for a membership. See, like this. Okay, so the 12-month membership. Oh, it costs the same amount, but it's just like a certificate. Wait, I think it costs more. So 6-month membership gift certificate, 25 diamonds. Oh, I don't like any of these. These are awful. Oh, awful, awful, awful. I just want diamonds. Ooh, they don't give you any diamonds. They only give you 25. That's the high. That's like so stupid. Animal jam. Let us have as much as we can get, as much diamonds as we can get gems. So let us get like 10,000 gems, or 25,000 gems, or 100,000 gems. I mean, diamonds. I just want diamonds. That's all I'm asking for. Okay, so let's check out the memberships. No, I don't want that. That's not what I meant. What? I just got to do. I got a diamond code. Is it 12? Oopsie. Is it 12? I wonder if he forgot that I was gone and he just kept on talking and I wasn't answering. That would be kind of funny. What? What? Is it? Oh. BRB. Okay, guys, I'm really tired and I've been playing Animal Jam for a long time. So I'm gonna end this video. Please like and subscribe and comment down below. And the reason I'm tired is because we've had a 3-hour drive to Little Rock, and I'm just really tired. I went to Silver City till like 11 o'clock or whenever it ends, and I don't know when that is, but I went whenever it ended, and then I got up at 5:45 and I couldn't go back to sleep. And yeah, I'm just really tired, so I'm gonna end this video. Bye!